So this screencast is designed to show you how to create voiceover using PowerPoint. So if you load up your PowerPoint on your desktop or laptop or wherever and select slideshow, you'll notice there's an option here, record slideshow, and once you hit record slideshow you will get this view. And the predominant slide that is in front of you is the current slide. So here, in this context, it's the title slide, Nottingham Business School. Don't ask why it's blank. It always seems to on my Mac. It may be that it's a quirk of Mac, but it may be that it's a common theme. But this slide that is dominant on the screen is the first slide. The slide to the right is the next slide, slide 2 that's up. And in the notes area, they are the notes that relate to the current slide. So essentially that's what you should be reading if you're intending to use a script, and they're key things to remember because it can the first time you do it cause a little bit of confusion. So you've got the slide that you're working on here, you've got your next slide up so you know what's coming up, and you've got the notes that relate to the current slide here. So and this will be capturing your voice. So dear colleagues, as you'll no doubt be aware, etc, etc, and then when you finish reading your notes for that slide, you move on. This task is designed and approached on the understanding that amongst our MBS colleagues, and you say what you want to for that second slide. Pause and then advance on to the next. The first principle to note is that this decision has been reached, etc, etc. And okay, when you've finished and you're happy with your recording, you pause. And you can hit pause at any point in time during the recording. It's only when you select End Show that it will say, do you want to save the new slide and timings? And then to test it out and see what it sounds like, you go to slideshow again, play from start, record slideshow. You will get this view. And the predominant slide that is, you move on. This task is designed and approached on the understanding that amongst our MBS colleagues, and you say what you want to for that second. Okay, so that's demonstrating it quite quick and simply. I apologise for the cat meowing in the background. One of the beauties of working from home. Okay, so wishing you well with that, and again, make sure you save your slideshow at the very end. One thing to note as well is when you play back, in order for students or whoever is the recipient to hear the narrations and see the timings, you need to have all of these boxes checked here. Okay.